Hello, future chemists. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of solutions, exploring how different amounts of solute affect their properties. A solution is a homogeneous mixture where a solute dissolves completely in a solvent, like sugar in water, forming an aqueous solution. Solutions are classified into three main types based on the amount of solute dissolved: unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated. An unsaturated solution contains less solute than the maximum amount that can dissolve at a given temperature, meaning it can still dissolve more. For example, dissolving 100 grams of sugar in 100 milliliters of water at 20 degrees Celsius, where solubility is 200 grams, leaves plenty of room for more sugar. A saturated solution holds the maximum amount of solute at a specific temperature, reaching a dynamic equilibrium where dissolving and crystallization rates are equal. If you add 200 grams of sugar to 100 milliliters of water at 20 degrees Celsius, any excess sugar will settle at the bottom, as the solution is saturated. Supersaturated solutions contain more solute than a saturated solution at the same temperature, making them unstable and prone to rapid crystallization. These are prepared by heating the solvent to dissolve more solute, then slowly cooling it without agitation. An example is a sodium acetate solution, which can hold extra solute when cooled, until a seed crystal triggers dramatic crystallization. Understanding these solution types is crucial for many chemical processes and everyday phenomena.